Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you the best iPhone video player for iPhone. The name of the video player is Any Player. We will get the app on the App Store. Go to the App Store and search by typing Any Player. Now install and open the app. This Any Player has several features. So let's take a look at the features of this player. When you open the player, you will see an interface like this. Click on the album option from here to get the video. All videos album will show here. From here, go to your favorite album and play any video. The interesting feature of this player is that it can play videos in picture mode. To play the video in picture mode, click on this icon. And our video will appear on the screen. Now if we minimize the page, our video will stay top and we can do any other work while watching the video. And you can replace it anywhere if you want. Another interesting feature of this player is that we can listen to the audio of the video in the background by playing the video. Then you will pause the video. Then minimize the apps. Open the control center of the iPhone. Playing the music will play the background audio of the video. Also, this player has a browser, so you can visit any website from here. Through the player, we can play any movie or video with subtitles. How to watch movies or videos with subtitles, I will show you in the next video. This was today's video. Hope you like the video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.